Today we're going to look at some ratios and kind of continue our discussion about ratios and proportions. Looking at a series of ratios when we know that something is in an extended ratio of A to B to C. What am I talking about? Well, we're looking at a situation like this. The ratio of the measures of three sides of a triangle is 2 to 5 to 4. Additionally, we know the perimeter is 165 units. Find the measure of each side of the triangle. Take a moment to try this on your own, please. All right, well, let's start off with the ratios. First off, we're going to assume that the length is positive, since we are talking about a triangle. So that allows us to multiply by x, and we can get the ratio 2x is to 5x is to 4x. Since we know that the perimeter really is just the sum of the sides, we can add those three sides together, 2x plus 5x plus 4x, to give us the perimeter of 165. From there, let's use our algebra, add our like terms together to get 11x, and divide by 11, x is 15. Now the question wasn't what is x, the question was what is the measure of each side. So, since each side is in the ratio of 2x to 5x to 4x, I can plug in x and find that each side is 30, 75, and 60. A quick check of this tells me that 30 plus 75 plus 60 does equal the perimeter of 165. Another example, the ratios of the measures of three angles of a triangle are 4 to 6 to 8. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. As before, we're allowed to multiply by x on each side, specifically because everything is positive. So 4x to 6x to 8x. And then I can use the triangle angle sum theorem. Of course, we know that all three angles of a triangle must give us a sum of 180. Add your like terms to get 18x equals 180. And dividing by 18, we find that x is 10. As before, they're not asking for x. They're really asking you to plug in and find each angle. So 4 times 10, 6 times 10, and 8 times 10 gives us the angle measurements of 40, 60, and 80. And I can verify that 40 plus 60 plus 80 does in fact equal 180 degrees.